Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. If you do enjoy this video, please leave a like and thumbs up. It would really mean a lot to me. And yeah, I appreciate it. So in this video, this is going to be more of a beginner video, just to say I do have this up on my YouTube, because I don't think I've made anything formally about this. But for anyone looking to actually start and getting into futures and whatnot, okay, this is what I did, and this is what I would probably suggest. Okay, there's two options. You can do one, you can start a personal account and put your own funds in it with like $500,000. I would not go more than 1,000. And what I would do is go to Tradeify, use this as a broker. You're gonna type in a username and login, and you're gonna have to sign up or apply to get a futures account. And once you do that, it'll like, you can obviously contact the support, but it's pretty easy. They make it pretty easy. Once you get approved for an account, you can just withdraw, or you can deposit how many ever funds you want, and then you'll have to buy lifetime data. I think it's like $5 or $10 a month CME data I would pick, so you can see the live data for minis. And all a mini is it's go here. All a mini is it's just NQZ 2023. This is NQ mini. And then the ES one would be ESE 2023. And this is the mini right now. That's for this date. So what you're going to want to do for a personal account is make that account right there, which I would definitely recommend doing that first. But if you were given the two options, what I'd recommend for you to do is do not start a personal account. What I would do is I'd start an Apex account, and I'd recommend trading it on TradingView itself. So what you need to do is you need to go to this Tradeify option, click sign up for. I would start with a 25K account and maybe buy a couple. And this is going to give you basically 25K or 50K of demo money. Okay, and you're going to pay for it. And right now it is 71% off. So if you do want to get these, make sure you use my code. My code is it's in the description. It's just when you go down, it's RBEEFYCS. So make sure you use my code. And yeah, and there's always going to usually be some discount for this. So right now it's 71% off, but that's what I recommend doing at first. And make sure you do not check this, okay? Do not check this. It's saying I agree not to use a coupon code. Make sure you do not check that. But yeah, use this code, and it's going to give you an account, like I said. And you basically have 30 days. And within that 30 days, for the 25K account, if you do buy that, you basically have to get it to $26,500. Okay, you have to get it to $26,500 within that 30 days. And if you don't get there in 30 days, it'll charge you for another month. And it doesn't reset your account balance or anything. I know Apex doesn't, but it'll just charge you for another month. So let's say it takes you a month to get to, like, let's say 26K. So you have 500 left, and that takes you 30 days. Well, then it's going to charge you for another month, and you still have another month to get another 500. You can just keep going as long as you want. And then if you do reach that goal of 26,500, okay, which requires a minimum of 7 trading days at least. And if, let's say you do reach the take profit, by the way, you can literally just buy in with a micro, which again, a micro versus a mini. A micro is MESC 2023. Instead of ESC 2023, it's MES. You add an M in front of it, and you just buy a single micro and sell it right away, and then it'll count as a trading day. That's only if you like full pour to get lucky and you hit that profit target right away. And for like a 26,500 account, or 25,000 account, you cannot go below $1,000. So your goal is to stay above 24,000, and you're trying to get that 1,500 profit goal. Okay. And on your journey to doing this in Apex, there is trailing drawdown. You'll probably learn about that, but basically it means if you go up $500, that trailing drawdown now is 24,500 instead of 24,000. Okay. and it doesn't go back down. If you lose money after hitting that 25,500, let's say you go down back to 25,000, your trailing drawdown is still going to be here because it's 1 point you're up 500. So again, I'd recommend doing those accounts for sure. And then to connect in the trading view, all you're going to want to do is when you go on the actual Tradeify, when you log in, you can go to connected accounts. Okay. And if you go to connected accounts, you can click connect for trading view and it should let you do it for free. And then you can log in right here with just clicking the Tradeify button. Okay. But yeah, I would recommend doing that. All right, so that's what I would do to get started. If you don't know how futures work, basically there's minis and micros. I'd start off with micros. I already explained what the mini was, but basically a mini, this is ES. Forever how many points it moves $50 per point, ES does. So if this goes from 4,258.25 or 4,258 to 4,257, so from here to here, you now are down $50 per however many contracts you buy. And if it goes up, let's say it goes up a point, well, you're now up $50 per contract for how many you buy. So if you buy 2 contracts, you're up $100. If you buy 1, you're up $50. And that's a lot of movement. And then Q, it's the same thing for NQ, except it's only $20. So it'd be $20 here, minus 20 here. And what you'll notice with NQ is it goes up points a lot quicker. It loses points a lot. See, like this whole candle went down 4 points. Okay, but in ES, you can see in ES, this candle just went down literally a point. So, or not even a full point. But micros, what I'd recommend doing is micros, because for every point, instead of $50, it's $5 on MES per point. And then on MNQ 2023, it's literally just, I don't know what it is. MNQ, it's $2 per point. So instead of losing 20 or gaining 20, it's $2 for how many contracts you buy. And this will allow you not to blow up your account as easy, and especially for a beginner, you're going to want to do MNQ. So it is MNQ 2023 by MNQZ 2023. My bad. So here's the thing right here. So again, hopefully this video helped. I just want to have a video on my channel going over all this stuff because I know some people have been asking. And yeah, other than that, peace out. Also, last thing I forgot to mention, if you are getting in the futures, make sure you know who ICT is and make sure you are watching his videos, okay? Type in his channel, type in ICT mentorship, go to his channel, and go to 2022 mentorship. This is going to help you the most. This is going to teach you how to trade futures the right way without using indicators, without using any of that, because that is not a good way to trade in my opinion. So if you want to really get good, I would definitely start watching these videos. Watch like one a night, and yeah, if you know how to start futures, you know how to use those prop firm accounts, which I basically just gave you the rules on, and you can watch these 41 videos. I promise you, within a year or two, you'll become very good. So this is everything you need to know to get started. And I also do have my own private Discord, okay, where I do live stream every day. So obviously, if you want to join that after you're done watching ICT videos, I live trade every day, every morning usually. So in a voice chat, or in a voice call. So that would be another thing you could do if you're obviously interested in that.